In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the debit card in the shopping mall. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a debit card in a shopping mall is a simple and common way to pay for purchases, so the process is very similar to using a credit card, but with one key difference. The money is going to be taken directly from your bank account. So first, check your account balance. You have to make sure that you have enough balance in your account before you start shopping. So know how much money is in your bank account, and you can do this through your bank's mobile app, online banking portal, or even at an ATM. Once you know how much balance you have, then you will know how much you can spend. This will help you avoid declined transactions due to insufficient funds. So all that you have to do now is present your card at checkout. Usually, they will have a machine that looks similar to this one, and you can either hand your debit card to the cashier or insert it into the machine yourself. The place where you insert the card will be labeled, so you can insert the card here at the bottom of this machine, as in this example, or swipe the card through the side. If you insert the card, you will be asked to input your PIN, which is essentially your password. Usually, it is going to be a 4-digit PIN using the keypad. Once again, if you hand your debit card to the cashier, he or she will insert your card into the machine and then will hand you the machine for you to insert the PIN. Always use your hand to shield the keypad as you enter your PIN to prevent anyone from seeing it. Just be careful, and once you insert the PIN, you can confirm the transaction by pressing this green button, or the cashier will do it for you. Once it is done, you will see a message telling you if the transaction was approved, and you will be free to remove the card. You can also do contactless payments if it is enabled for your card by tapping it near the card reader. But regardless of how you choose to pay, you will be able to use your debit card at a shopping mall. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.